What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you had $100,000 to invest at age 30 and sell your properties at age 65, would you buy one property paid in full for $100,000, or would you finance 5 properties at 20% down? Which one will come out better at the end? Let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
Hey guys, if we're meeting for the very first time, my name is Dauria. I'm a professional real estate investor. I buy solely for passive income. I live off of passive income now, and I want to show you not only how I did it, but how you can replicate it and do the same so you can live your dream life. So we're going to get into this $100,000 property. You bought it cash. It rents for $1,000 per month. Now, minus expenses, which is about 60%, 0.6 for expenses, you're going to come out with a total net after 35 years, that's buying it at 30 and selling it at 65, of $252,000. This is net, this is cash in your pocket if you weren't to have spent it. Plus, the property sale has now appreciated from $100,000 to $250,000. When you go to sell that, after buying it in full, you come out to a grand total of $502,000. Moving on. 5 properties, 20% down. You bought 5 of them with the same amount of money. $1,000 per month in rent each property. PITI, because it's finance, that is principal, interest, taxes, insurance. It's going to be a requirement for all finance properties. This is going to come out to about, we're just going to estimate $500 a month, because every state, generally every county, is going to be a little bit different. $500 a month times 30 years. This whole thing is 35 though, times 30 years. So we are going to get a net total of $200 a month per property, but we have 5 properties. So that means a net total that puts in your pocket $1,000 per month. Now, we're also going to subtract out of this is vacancy, property, and repairs, and that's how we get our net number here. After 30 years, this is the whole time being financed, your net income is going to be $360,000 after all expenses. But you have an additional 5 years of paid off properties, which equals $180,000. And when you're 65, you're going to take both of these combined, because that is your total cash flow. You're going to sell all 5 of the now paid off properties, which are also worth $250,000 each, which brings us to a grand total of $1,790,000. Now, this is assuming you only had $100,000. You could have paid it off in full, or you could have financed. This shows the power of leverage in real estate. And this is the way that I buy my properties. Even if I have the cash to buy the properties myself, I still don't. I use other people's money. I use leverage. I get in with as little as possible and let the tenants pay off the property. You have to ask yourself, would you rather let one tenant pay off one of your properties, or 5 tenants pay off one of your properties, or 100 tenants pay off 100 of your properties? Which one of those do you think will generate wealth faster? And that's what my channel is all about. It's how to help you understand how to create passive income and wealth so you can live the life that you deserve. If you guys have any comments, let me know down below. Which method would you use? Are you more comfortable with this one? Are you more comfortable with this one? A lot of people want to default to this, but they don't realize that the potential that this has and how the math actually works. Oh, if you also made it this far, consider smashing that like button, hitting subscribe and notification bell. I make several videos per week, and until next time, I will see you on the next one.